Hello everyone. It is said that there is a rebel in every person. Who is a rebel? What does a rebel do? Let's see in class 7th poem, The Rebel. Do you know anyone who always disagrees with you or your friends or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do? Think of a word to describe such a person. Discuss with your partner some of the things such a person generally does. So there must be a person in your class, in your friend circle or around you who always likes to do opposite of what others do. What are such people called? Let's see in the poem, The Rebel. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. So rebel is a person who always does opposite of others. When everybody has short hair, rebel grows long hair. And when everybody grow long hair, rebel cuts his hair. He likes short hair. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. So when teacher tells you to discuss in the class, to speak during the chapter, rebel does not speak a word. But during the lesson, when teacher says there should be no disturbance, nobody will speak, the rebel has many questions to ask. He creates disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. Soberly means in a serious and sensible way. So when everybody wears soberly, when everybody wears uniform, rebel likes to wear flashy, colorful, fantastic clothes. But when everybody wears fantastic clothes, you will see the rebel always come in simple clothes, in sensible clothes. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. Puts in a good word means be supportive too. So in the when there are people who loves dogs, rebel always shows his preference to cats. He says that he likes cats. And when he's in the company of cat lovers, he will always do the opposite. He will always support dogs. He would say that he loves dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. So when everybody wants sun, they praise that there is sun, there is such a good sunny weather. The rebel says that he wants rain, he needs rain. And when everybody welcomes the rain, the rebel regrets. That means he feels sorry that there is no sun. He feels sorry for the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. So when everybody is out to go for meeting, rebel would like to stay at home alone reading books. And when everybody stays at home, maybe any reason due to bad weather or just that they don't like to go outside, when everybody wants to stay at home and read book, the rebel wants to go out for meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. So when it is that everybody is saying yes to something, the rebel will oppose it by saying no. And when everybody opposes something by saying no, the rebel will say yes, I want it. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. So at last, it's good that we have rebels around us. It is good to have rebels. But you would not like to be one. Why so? Why it is good to have rebels, but you should not be one? We will see in the question answer session. So you see that a rebel is a person who always does opposite of what others do. He never does what everybody is doing. He would always like to walk in opposite direction. So the poem is by DJ Enright. Now let's see question and answers. If someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? So I think the teacher will scold the student and probably not let him or her attend the class. Next question, when everyone wants a clear sky, what does the rebel want most? So during a clear sky, the rebel wants rain. If the rebel has a dog for a pet, what is everyone else likely to have? Everyone is likely to have cats if a rebel has a dog. Why is it good to have rebels? It is good to have rebels because they don't quietly accept everything by being quiet. They raise their voice against something which they don't like. So they teach us that there can be difference in choices and we should accept it. It should not be like when everybody is walking in one direction, we should also walk in the same direction. We can have different choices. So that is why it is good to have rebels. Why is it not good to be a rebel oneself? It is not good to be a rebel oneself because a rebel is not liked by everyone. People criticize or ignore rebel and they take time to accept it because they can't accept that somebody is not listening to them or somebody is doing opposite of what they want. That is why a rebel is not liked by everybody. So it is not good to be not liked by someone, isn't it? So that is why it is not good to be a rebel. Would you like to be a rebel? If yes, why? If not, why not? So it's up to you what your answer should be. My answer is I would like to be a rebel sometimes. There are many things that I don't like to do. So it is good to raise voice against those things. Now find in the poem an antonym. Antonyms means a word which means opposite for each of the following. Antonym of long is short, grow is cut, quietness is disturbance, sober is fantastic. There has been little this problem here. Lost is found. So please write fantastic, Fantastic. Find in the poem lines that match the following. Okay, the rebel refuses to cut his hair. The rebel lets his hair grow long. He says cats are better. The rebel expresses a preference for cat. This is the line in the poem. He recommends dogs. The rebel puts in good word for dogs. He is unhappy because there is no sun. The rebel regrets the absence of sun. He is noisy on purpose. The rebel creates a disturbance. These are the lines from poem. So students, this was about the poem. I hope you have liked and understood it. Is there any rebel around you? Please do write, do comment and let me know. Thank you for listening to the poem, students. Bye-bye. Take care.